pong inailangan si Ginang Regina O. Filiboso.
Ang mga batang nagkamit ng karangalan mula sa Grade 5 Respect. With honors, Grace H. Castillo. With honors, Special Award, Good Conduct Award, Club Achievement Award. Zia Colleen D. Castillo. With honors, Special Awards, Good Conduct Award, Athlete of the Year, Club Achievement Award. Archery Briggs R. Garcia. With honors, Special Award, Club Achievement Award.
Hindi ka number 5. Layo-layo na.
Leah Victoria Garcia. With honors. Juliana Kylie S. Gatula. With honors. Special awards, Good Conduct Award, ESP Awardee, Most Cooperative. Nash Evan M. Mateo.